homework from another professor. And also you have a full-time job, I understand. I fully understand you have a full-time job. However, please read page 61. When I say 61 is assuming you're using edition 6. But I think the 5th edition is also around the same page, the same area. Okay? Page 61 is very important. And also, few pages before that, few pages after that. Because there's one page, it's a long list. Long list. I will send this PDF to you. So please leave your email on your sign sheet.
So you're going to put a URL or?
I will send this to you.
Email?
I will email to you, right? I will email this to you.
At
least.
Huh? You want to put a URL?
This is the sign sheet. This is the sign sheet. Everybody, if you sign in, I will send you the class video and along with whatever the slide I display in the class, right? So I promise you, I will send you the email by the end of Sunday. Usually Sunday is cut-off day, right? Because after Monday I'll be way too busy. I cannot handle this, right? So I will send you this, and at least you read from here. What example under the assets? So cash, number 1.
Buildings and other different assets.
Yes. So from the numeric number, all the way from number 1 to number 14, they are all example as assets, right? So after you learn this, don't put this item from number 1 to number 14 to another area. Please don't do that, right? Never put cash to equity, please. Cash is not equity.
Cash is cash.
Cash is cash, and cash is assets. All right, go ahead.
Like every company, they have their own items to.
Oh yes, they can create, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So
You're right. You're absolutely right. So let me see it again. From number 1 to number 14 is the item set by IRS. Set by IRS. However, for each company, they can create their item designed for their accounting system. However, it doesn't matter how do they design, they cannot change this character. Understand? Say some company even under the cash, they have a subcategory, say CD cash or checking account cash. And some company they even set out stock as cash. Very strange. Why? Because they just don't want to have cash idle in the bank because right now there's no interest, right? So some company it's called cash management, by the way. There's the balance. What's the balance? You want to increase the interest, right? Because if you just put cash in the checking account, it's zero. Sometimes negative, right? The bank not only give you the interest, they don't give you the interest, they charge you. They charge you for being deposited cash in their bank. How interesting, right? So in order to have the better cash management, sometimes the company they purchase the bond or short-term stock so they can trade. They can convert. So the balance of cash management is one way to increase the interest. But the other way, you can convert to cash as quick as possible. So eventually, when we talk about cash, a lot of different definition about cash. Cash is not really the cash in your safety box, by the way. I don't see the big company, they keep millions cash really under the table. They don't do that, right? They purchase the bond, government bond, municipal bond, they can convert it to cash very quickly. So always, this is almost the rule, doesn't matter which country. Cash is always been put as a number 1 asset. Anybody can tell me why cash is so important? Anybody know?
Because it's the most liquid.
Yes. Hear about that? Liquidity. Liquidity. That's very important, by the way, everybody. I'm not really materialist person, okay? But even the people like me, I would say cash is very important. Cash is most important thing. All right? Okay, one step back. Okay, cash is not most important thing for life, but cash is the most cash is the most important thing for business. How about that? How about that? Okay, all right. If you're running business, cash is most important. Why? I have seen so many business, or even person. Okay, even sick person. They do have assets. If you read their balance sheet, wow, it's very beautiful. Under their balance sheet, you see the bottom, number 15. The total assets